Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an enrolled school-aged sim. That's essential. Once done, enter live mode and pause the game when the sim arrives home, so you can act without interruptions. Next, select the correct child or teen who shows the homework notification on their portrait. This step locates the assigned work. You do this now because the homework object or interaction only appears tied to the active sim. Activating them reveals the available actions immediately. Now focus on finding the actual homework item. First, open the Sim's inventory and scan nearby surfaces. School desks, kitchen tables, and backpacks often hold work. Once you've looked there, open the Simology and the active task tracker to confirm what the assignment is called. This helps you identify the right object or interaction name. Then click the homework icon directly on the Sim's portrait, because doing so highlights or pins the homework object in the world. To complete the task, choose the study interactions you found. Do homework, study, or use computer for specific assignments. Follow the progress bar until it finishes. Once done, make sure to submit materials if the game requires it, because timely submission affects grades. If the homework object doesn't appear, reload the save, disable community content or mods temporarily, or switch to another household then back. This forces the game to respawn the item. Finally, save after success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.